What's up guys, welcome to our new tutorial on everything you need to know about Python. In this video we're going to introduce you to Python, and then we'll be releasing subsequent sections to know all about Python for beginners. This course doesn't cost you anything, so if you can please like it, leave a random comment and subscribe to it. That would help motivating me making more videos. So without delay, let's go ahead and download the Python. We need a code interpreter, so that's what Python. It takes the code, converts it into a language that the computer can execute. So we'll go ahead to python.org, go to downloads, and we just download. It will take a while, and once it's downloaded, we open the file and go ahead and install and add python exe to the path. You might not need it, but go ahead and add it now, and it will take a while. And once it's installed, you get this setup was successful, and then we close it, and that's all you need to get started with running Python. Next, the other tool we need is PyCharm. I already have it installed, but you could go to PyCharm downloads. PyCharm download. PyCharm is an integrated development environment. You could use PyCharm or Visual Code. If you have Visual Code, stay with it. I'm using PyCharm because it's a lot more user friendly when it comes to beginners, so you don't need to download the professional version, but go ahead and download the community version. Download, and this is professional. If you go down, there is community edition. Just download it and install it. I have already installed it, and once you install the IDE, you could double click, start the IDE. It's a community edition 2024. Go ahead and accept, and on the first one you get this welcome sheet, welcome screen. Go ahead and open a new project. You select a location. I'll just keep it where it is, and then you could see it created environment, project environment. It's a virtual environment where it runs the Python. You could change it. Right now since we already installed it, it's picking up 313 python exe, and so go ahead and create. Once the Python project is created, we will go ahead and create a new file. We'll wait for the virtual environment to be ready. So the virtual environment is ready now. We can go ahead and create a new file. We can skip all the. So this is where your Python project is. So to create your first file, we go to File, New. Once you go to File and New, it's asking you to give a name for the file. We just call it my first python.py. Once you have the Python project created, you could right click on the virtual environment root, new Python file. We just call it main, and we associate it with a Python file. And now we have the first Python file, and you could use print hello world. Instead of hello world, I will print hello, welcome to Minecraft. And we select it and we hit the run minpy. We use just to test show the display, we just use print hello welcome to Minecraft, and you hit the green arrow here. Let me zoom in. Once you run it, you could see hello, welcome to Minecraft. So that's how you run your first main.py. In the next sections, we're going to talk about variables. Once we have the Python project created, we'll go ahead and create a new file, new Python file, and we give it a name, my first, and it creates a .py extension and created the my first Python file. Inside the Python project, you could see it here. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and try our first command called print. So print first command would be print. Instead of printing hello world, we'll say welcome to Ready Controls, and we go ahead and run it. You get the output, welcome to Ready Controls. We could also print numbers, print 1 2 3 4. It prints 1 2 3 4. If you want to print that way, it will still print 1 2 3 4, but it will be a string. Okay, to comment out a line, you just use the pound sign. That will comment out the lines. And if you want to leave a comment like notes, this is my first Python file, Python program. That helps to understand. These are the programming nodes we use. That's it. This is how we install Python IDE and install the Python interpreter IDE, and then write your first file. And